On average, a typical residential system will save between $1,200 and $1,500 a year. Not only do we do solar electric systems, we also do solar pool heating systems and systems for your domestic hot water use.
Working with Hot Solar Solutions was really simple. They came in, scoped out the area, told me exactly what this was going to look like, and that's exactly what it looked like.
And it made total sense. Obviously, I mean, we're saving several $100s a month just on our electric bill alone.
They do what they say they're going to do when they say they're going to do it.
I have an app on my phone, and it's super easy. You log right in, and you can track the overall system performance. You can track it throughout the day. You can track it panel by panel to make sure all the panels are up and running.
I personally would not shop around. I know Troy Woody. I would go to Hot Solar Solutions.
The job went flawlessly. The electrical, the panels go on your roof, it's seamless. So certainly, I think Hot Solar Solutions is cut above the next guy.
It's probably one of the best companies I've ever done business with, quite frankly.
Reach out to us today, and together we can determine whether solar is a good fit for you.